How to check the oil in a Bush Hog. A Bush Hog rotary cutter is a towed implement that attaches to the 3-point hitch on a compact utility tractor. As a part of general maintenance, checking the gearbox oil should be done every 40 hours of operation to make sure there are no leaks. If the gearbox runs low on oil, it can cause the gears to overheat, crack and break. This is an expensive item to replace, so checking the oil lets you keep going as well as keep money in your pocket. This procedure takes 10 minutes to complete. Things you'll need: crescent wrench, 80 watts or 90 watts gear oil, clean rag. Park the Bush Hog on a hard, level surface. Locate the gearbox on top of the Bush Hog at the rear of the mower. Remove the bolt on the very top of the gearbox with the crescent wrench. Locate the other bolt on the right side of the gearbox. Remove the bolt using the crescent wrench. Slowly pour the 80 watts or 90 watts gear oil into the top hole where the bolt was removed until the oil starts to leak out of the side hole. Reinstall both bolts and tighten down with the crescent wrench. Wipe off the excess oil that leaked from the level hole.